Oh, hi. Sorry, everybody. I got distracted for a second. It's 9:19 and 16, 17 seconds on February 7th. This is the drawing for the Marvel Preview 4 and 7, the first Star-Lord and the first Rocket Raccoon. Over here are the 23 filled spots. Okay, whoever comes in first place gets to choose. Whoever comes in second place will get the remaining book. Okay, so let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. Again, whoever comes in first gets to choose which book they want. Whoever comes in second gets the remaining item. Okay, so best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here comes the final one. 11. Brody Stokely gets to choose first. Jason Caraway, you get the remaining item. Time is 9:20 and 19.